Welcome back. Today we are looking at the LEM Products Plastic Meat Lug Liners food-grade low-review robust design for daily use. Inches high-throughput meat fabrication and artisan charcuterie production. Efficiency is governed by the narrow margins between processing stages. Cross-contamination risks, microscopic fat residue retention, and laborious sanitation cycles are persistent vulnerabilities in commercial butchery operations. Check the video description for the updated price link. Standard poly bags and low-tier plastic barriers often fail at critical stress points, leading to fluid migration, cross-batch contamination, and structural tearing under heavy payloads. Enter the LEM Products Plastic Meat Lug Liners 25 count, clear specialized sanitary containment solution designed through the lens of zero-tolerance precision engineering. Fabricated strictly from virgin food-grade low-density polyethylene LDP, these premium liners serve as a pristine kinetic barrier between fresh protein batches and structural meat lugs. Rather than relying on trial-and-error bulk plastic film, LEM Products engineered these liners to exact volumetric dimensions, eliminating dead corners where moisture and microparticles typically accumulate. Whether you are operating a USDA-inspected commercial processing facility, managing a seasonal game processing plant, or running an advanced homestead butchery system, maintaining absolute hygienic isolation is paramount. Integrating these high-density poly liners into your workflow effectively standardizes your sanitation protocol, drastically cuts sanitation turnaround times, and extends the operational lifespan of your primary meat lugs. If your equipment lineup spans beyond butchery gear, for example, if you track outdoor livestock or field operations using high-end optics, you might also check out our related product guide for precision outdoor monitoring tools. Understanding the performance dynamics of LDP film requires evaluating structural yield, tensile resistance, and thermal tolerance. LEM Products utilizes zero-compromise extrusion parameters to produce a liner system capable of handling rigorous processing environments. Material composition: 100 virgin low-density polyethylene LDP, fully compliant with SDAFTA food safety directives. Structural density: engineered low-density polymer matrix, providing exceptional puncture propagation resistance and multi-directional flex resilience. Dimensional fit: optimized for standard commercial 50 pounds. Capacity: meat lugs approximate dimensions 21.75 by 15.5 by 7 depth. Fluid containment integrity: continuous heat-sealed bottom, seam tested under static liquid head pressure to prevent leakage of ambient juices, marinades, and fat emulsions. Package quantity: 25 individually flat-folded sanitary liners per package. Opacity: crystal clear clarity, allowing immediate visual identification of batch composition, fat-to-lean ratios, and spice distribution without unsealing the enclosure. Low-density polyethylene LDP is selected specifically for its balance of flexibility and shear strength. Unlike cheaper recycled film options that exhibit microscopic void structures and irregular wall thickness, LEM's virgin LDP matrix offers consistent material density. This means when 50 pounds of coarse ground beef or bone inches venison quarters drop into the lined lug, the film stretches elastically rather than puncturing under point source impacts. Rigid plastic lugs, even when manufactured from high-impact polyethylene, suffer from microabrasions caused by metal shovels, knives, and coarse salt scrubbers over time. These microscratches form ideal harbor zones for bacterial colonization, e.g., Listeria monocytogenes, Salmonella spp. By deploying a single-use LEM liner, you insert an absolute physical barrier that isolates raw protein from lug surface imperfections. This totally bypasses deep cleaning cycles between identical product batches. A liner failure at the bottom seam completely defeats its purpose, leading to fluid pooling at the base of the lug. LEM employs high-temperature, high-pressure impulse welding along the load-bearing edges. This creates a uniform bond strength that matches the native tensile rating of the parent film. Even during heavy tumbling, manual mixing, or transport over rough surfaces, the seam resists stress cracking and liquid seepage. Check the link in the description to get yours today.